What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon here with Cartoon Review. We'll review anything that a consumer could buy. Today we got these Caseology, and it's for the Note 10. I made a dumb mistake when I ordered this from Amazon. I didn't realize it was for the Note 10 Plus, and it was only for the Note 10. So basically, what I'm gonna do is this a giveaway. I'm gonna leave all the link below for you to win this case if you have a Note 10. So I hope everybody sign up, and if you don't, I don't know nobody with a Note 10 for me to give it to them. So if you want to sign up for the giveaway, I'm gonna leave it down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, share it to other people. If they planning to get a Note 10, they could win themselves a dope case, and it's the Aurora. I think it's the Ocean. I forgot what is it called. If I'm not mistaken, it's the Ocean Blue. Looks really nice. It's a really dope case. It's $15, and y'all have a chance to win it for free shipping and everything to y'all. So make sure you share this video, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment below saying, "Hey, I enter your contest, your giveaway," and it will be definitely dope. I definitely will appreciate that. So, like I said, it's your boy Cartoon. Peace.